Welcome back. Part 2 of the ride along. We gonna see if we can't go out here for this dinner shift and scrape up a couple of dollars. The time is now 6:04. Whoa, we got our first Grubhub order. What's that? $15.62 for 6.9 miles? Hold on, you see that? $15.62 for 6.9? I'm taking that. I don't know what's going on, but that seemed like a good deal to me. So I'm taking that. Now look at that. And we got $1 peak pay until 6:30. Now I'm a little late to the party, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit Dash now. I'm gonna take it all the way to 4 a.m. Yes, sir, because I need some of that $1 peak pay. That's extra money, okay? So I need some of that. Let's go ahead and get logged in there and see what we get. Looks like we off to a good start. I got my first order already. We got $11 showing for 7.6 miles at Popeyes. The only bad thing is it's a Popeyes order, so it might not be ready. But look at this though. Look, we finna go ahead and accept it. Now I'm finna show you the trick right here. So I accepted it. Now I'm gonna hit exit. I'm gonna bag out, right? Now I'm gonna hit the little widget. Hopefully, boom. There we go. $53.45 subtotal. So that's how you check your subtotal. Dollar amount, the value of your order. That's how you check it when you get a DoorDash order. Especially when they say over 5 items, you want to check that. So you can hopefully get a good estimation of what your tip looking like. Now I know I'm getting $11 guaranteed for this, so let's get it because that's great. $11 guaranteed. If they stack it with anything or I get anything else, that's just icing on the cake because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to get one more order done before this hour is up. So that's gonna be a $20 hour right there. And that's how you do it. That's how you multi-out. I got a Grubhub order, $15 and some change for 6.9 miles, and now I got this DoorDash order, $11 for 7 miles. That's $25 in the first hour, as long as I get them both done. So let's get to it. Yes, sir. So we starting off good. Look at this. An additional $7 for 0.4. Look at that. An additional 7 for 0.4, and that's with $1 peak pay. So that's really a $6 add-on. 3 items at Qdoba is right next door. Let's get it. Like I'm finna take that all day long because that's a good order. Ooh-wee, it's windy out here. It's starting to rain. It's lightning. Let's go ahead and get this first order dropped off. Nice little Uber order. $1 turned into 9. Let's get it. The order dropped off. $11 what was shown. Let's see if it changed. Yep, changed to 13. Let's get it. Got my next offer, $6.50 for 1.7 miles. 6 items on this one, the KFC. Let's get it done. It's gonna be drive-through action for this one. And that drive-through line was unbelievable at KFC, man. I waited for 20 minutes and I unassigned it, man. They got me messed up because I got a Grubhub order that's way better. I got this one right here, $15.74 for 3.4 miles. And then they sent me an add-on, another $6.38 for an additional mile. Let's get it. And I'm already here. Let's get it done. $7.50, total will be higher. Let's get it. Got that pizza dropped off, $7.50 what was shown. It said total will be higher, so let's see by how much. Not much at all. It went up to $8. I've been out for 2.5 hours. I have made $30 on DoorDash and another $30 on Grubhub. Not bad.